Hi everyone, the summer is hot. I hope you are enjoying it. Let's see what we are going to create. It's an easy slide that we are going to create in PowerPoint. Today AI is doing the job, but it's not bad to know how it's happened. Okay, at first we need to insert 4 rectangles. 1, 2, 3, and 4. You see, but we have a problem. We don't create them in the same size. So how we can fix that? We delete them. We insert a rectangle from here to the middle. Okay, then by holding Ctrl and Shift, create another one, and then create another one. Go here and align it center and middle. Then select these two and set to fragment. You see, now we have the fragment that we need. We copy them by Ctrl C and paste them here. Everything is ready. Now we need to set the shape outline to none, and a little increment is not bad, I think. Then we need to click the order. We send it to back, bring to front, bring to front. You maybe don't understand why we are doing that, but it's needed. After that, go here, format the shape, and after that this menu appeared. Select the colors. We are going to go with the blue. I like it. Dark blue, a light blue. It's a sky blue, a little or more, but not a lot. Then after that, select all of them. Go to shadows and give them down or bottom shadow. It's created. Now just copy the text, paste it here. Copy the text, paste it here, copy the text, paste it here, copy the text, paste it here. Select this 3D slide, increase the text. Now copy all the slide. Here select Ctrl A, go to shape format, and then here align them center and align them middle, and then Ctrl A and bring it to up. Okay, now set the transition to morph and copy this slide and paste it here, and then select all of them and set the transition to morph. Now let's see what we created. You see the opening and closing is pretty impressive. I hope you like it. Have a nice time.